Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, traders around the world. This is Phil at Trading Capital Markets. Today we're the 1st of July, 2025, currently 9:05 a.m. And this is the Nasdaq pre-market analysis. All right, from 2 to 5 is London, right? Over here we see a disrespect of the uh, market structure. Took these highs, closed above with the candles and bodies, but this happened all within this macro window. So this could be kind of expected. All right, took these highs, continued lower, made a new low over here. All right, after that, within these two, we had another macro period. So this candle that created this fair value gap to the downside took the previous low. Okay, and this candle took, sorry, at the beginning of this macro, we started over here, made sure to take out this low, and this extended a little bit lower to finally come take this liquidity and still probably respect, yeah, with the bodies this high. Okay, so we have that. The price action in this consolidation is a little bit wacky, but it does have a bias, right? Every time it was taking out these highs or like within the leg, so internal range liquidity. So over here, took out this high, made a new low. After that, took out these two highs. But this was the previous one that took out this high, so it's not going to take it out. It's going to take out the two previous highs to make a new low, right? And after that, you see these ones, 1, 2. So this is the high that took out these two previous highs. That made a new low. And then this high is probably the high that's going to take out these two highs. 1, 2. Let's see. Not really, but it went close and did make a new low. So you see it was averaging down every time we were taking out the previous internal range liquidity without taking the highest point of that leg that made the down move. Okay, so now that being said, the start of the New York session, 7 o'clock. All right, so 7 o'clock. We got to this macro over here, and we priced lower. Good. So over here, do a little market structure exercise. Here to here, lower from here. No new low over here from here to here. This is the new low. Didn't go above this high. Came here, took that. Made a new low over here. After that, made a new high. I know it's quite small, this low, but it's a swing low and then a swing high, so I'm going to use it. Then we have another low over here. Coming back up. Starting to build a certain structure. Not yet. Does this candle pass those highs? Yes, it does. Here you go. Swing low. Swing high. And now we're here. Okay, so that's the market structure after coming into this 1 hour inversion fair value gap. Right? Consequent encroachment. Exactly at the consequent encroachment of that 1 hour inversion fair value gap and at the almost the lowest point of this 4 hour fair value gap. So that's the deal for this morning. That's the deal for this morning. And this also respected this fair value gap over here. You see, to the T, went back down. After that, the first fair value gap after the expansion below this low is this one. Guess what? Guess what? Guess where this candle stopped? Well, wouldn't you know that? Right into this fair value gap. So, now, that being said, market structure for continuation lower. So continuation lower, this is the sell side. If we start trading below this, sorry, sell side. If we start trading below this, if we start trading below that, let me go see for some possible targets. We hit every possible target last week on this down move, including that last 4-hour fair value gap that I had marked out. Let's see what we could find. 1 hour. Yeah, so this was that dip that it needed to do. Look on the 4-hour. See if we see something. I don't see anything until like here. Okay, this is the one that I see. So that's the 4-hour fair value gap that might be targeted. That's the last target. That's the fair value gap that hasn't been repriced to. And that's the one right before it. Okay, this one has been covered completely by this wick. These two of them. This wick completely covered, and this one almost completely covered this one. So there's these two to the downside. And after that, upside is right, unlimited. We don't know where it could stop. So that's pretty much it for this morning. Now let's go back in and see what's the buy side. So a play anywhere within this leg, right? Actually, sorry, this leg. Because this is the leg that's starting it within. So below this, we keep on shorting. And over here, you keep you put alerts if you want. And above this, you keep on buying, right? That's buy side. Buy side, and we have relatively equal highs over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So like quite obvious targets. And we got a couple of news events this morning. We have Fed Chair Powell speaking in 15 minutes. We have S&P Global Manufacturing PMI. We have construction spending, ISM Manufacturing Employment, ISM, JOLTS. So very busy morning this morning. Let's get after it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this pre-market analysis on the Nasdaq. Catch you on the live. Peace.